Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. A beautiful new year to you all. I know it has been a while since I dropped a tutorial on this channel. I sincerely apologize. Last year was so stressful. A lot happened, so I wasn't able to keep up, but I'm fully back this year, so you should be expecting a lot of beautiful tips and tutorials that are really helpful. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make whitening dark spot soap. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. For this soap, you need goat milk based soap which moisturizes the skin. It prevents premature aging, it keeps the skin acne free, it relieves skin irritation and inflammation, it maintains the pH balance of the skin, and it protects the skin from cancer. You need fresh carrot which contains beta-carotene that helps in slowing aging. It increases collagen, prevents wrinkles, reduces inflammation, redness, scars, skin dryness. It hydrates the skin, it lightens the skin, it prevents acne, and it controls oil secretion. You need Irish potato which helps in getting rid of under eye circles and wrinkles. It lightens the skin, it reduces skin inflammation, it tightens the pores and provides anti-aging benefits. It treats blemishes, sunburn, dark spots, and fine lines. You need lemon oil, lightens dark spots, it evens out the skin tone, it helps in fading scars, acne, and it lightens the skin. You need glutathione whitening serum which helps in hydrating and improving skin elasticity. It lightens blemishes, dark spots, age spots, it lightens the skin, glows the skin, and unifies the skin complexion. You need vitamin E oil which moisturizes the skin, reduces skin itching, it minimizes the appearance of scars, it prevents and frees sunburn, fine lines, wrinkles, and acne. You need rubbing alcohol which helps to take out bubbles from your soap before it solidifies. It is also used to clean and disinfect your working equipment. So firstly, I'll put my goat milk based soap in a pot and I'll set aside. Next, I'm grating the carrot. And just blending it a little so it becomes a smooth paste. I'm now sieving to extract the juice which we'll be using in making the soap. So next I'm grating the Irish potato. I'm just sieving it to extract the juice as well. So here I have the carrot and Irish potato juice. Now I'm just double boiling the goat milk based soap to melt it. So it's completely melted now. I'm pouring about 30 ml of carrot juice. Next, I'm putting about 3 tablespoons of Irish potato juice. I mixed it properly before adding it. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of lemon oil. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of Glutathione whitening serum. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Then I'm mixing properly before pouring into the soup mold. I'm just pre-rubbing alcohol to take out the bubbles, after which I'll let it dry naturally. And our soap is ready to be used. This soap fades dark spots and acne super fast, and not just that, it also whitens the face. This face soap is for all skin tones. It is good for all skin types except sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you would want to avoid this soap. This soap blends and unifies the skin tone. It increases collagen, it prevents wrinkles, it reduces inflammation, redness, scars, skin dryness, it prevents and fades acne, dark spots, sunburn, and it moisturizes the skin. You use it the same way you use your normal soap and you are good to go. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help the channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's where you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.